So this is after revision 1 of the pen holder. You can see we're drawing with the black pen this time, and it's not flopping around as much as the red one was last time around, but it's still the hole's still a little oversized here, so I'm going to go down a little bit smaller on the next draft. The nib holes in the bottom are just about perfect now. I printed this one straight up on the bed, as opposed to the last one I printed at an angle with a bunch of support, like you're quote-unquote supposed to do. I found that it worked a lot better getting the bottom flat and getting the holes the right size, just printing it straight up. And I put it in the corner of the vat to help. I was just thinking having it in the corner would help peel away from kind of that one side and not have too much over adhesion issues. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with how it's working right now. You can see that it's a little more precise, a little closer to exactly where it's supposed to be. It's still not perfect, but let's see, the mounting holes still aren't quite in the right place. Looks like I've got the vertical separation right, but the horizontal separation is still a little bit off, so I need to do another draft anyway. So yeah, that'll probably be tonight. I'll let it print up another draft. It's about a 10 or 12 hour print. It's pretty ridiculous. But yeah, that'll be tonight, and then tomorrow we'll see how that does, and if we're gonna have to do another one, or if that one will be good to go.